Ice cream has mass appeal because there's a flavor for everyone. Did you know there is ice cream in 87% of the freezers in American homes right now? This adorable 36 by 29 inch wall hanging is sure to bring happiness to all ice cream lovers. My latest Stipple collection, Sprinkles, has 6 blocks, vertical and horizontal borders plus a cornerstone for a total of 17 designs in 2 sizes, 6 and 8 inch, plus a PDF pattern of the pennant. Sprinkles has my patented quilt-applique-piece method, plus you'll learn a new technique. You see, I had trouble finding a printed fabric to suit my vision, so I opted to create my own by embellishing white fabric with embroidered sprinkles. Since I don't like seeing the bobbin side of my embroidery on the back of my quilt, I came up with an easy way to avoid that. I chose a variety of creamy pastel fabrics, a 6-pack of colorful, exquisite polyester 40-weight thread, and a playful strand of pom-poms to complete my Sprinkles quilt. I can't wait to hang this in my kitchen for the ice cream lovers in my family. Order your Sprinkles collection today.